Okay, so this is the video for Friday, January 9th, 2015. So today was a frustrating day, very frustrating day for several reasons. First reason, I lost money, which is part of the game, but it's never fun. And the second reason is that I lost money for the first time in many days, and I've never gotten so, the line between losing and winning has never been so close to me, and I will go over why. But anyway, so this is the the non-farm payroll news at 8:30. So I came in around here. I wasn't trading ahead of such big news. So huge breakout to the downside. I'm like, okay, I'm trading short. I was gonna wait for the 50% retracement, but I got a little impatient because I was just in some, and I was just following somebody that my other account that I'm following, basically a signal that I'm using. I'm following some trader that's really good, and he went short already here, so I went short earlier. Technically, again, I shouldn't do this kind of stuff, but I should have gone short here. That's why I usually would go short on such a big breakdown. I wait for 50%, but anyways, it worked. So I was still happy at this point, but what I failed to see is that the market was really trying to reverse. It had two really good bull bars here, and it did a higher low and then a double bottom, and basically there was a huge, there was a lot of buying pressure here. Look at even this gap. The second bar opened above the close of the previous bar and never looked back. So what I was my idea was to like short at the EMA 200 EMA here, hoping for like a resumption of the trend line, of the trend down. That never happened. So as I say, usually not usually, always so far, when I enter a trade and it goes 10 ticks behind, 10 ticks against me, I enter another trade. And this is what's frustrating, because see, look, he came back all the way to my entry, which is where I had my order to cover the whole position, and it touched it, didn't fill me, and then I just let it go. And then I entered more here. I took some here, so I had like a mini winning trade in the middle here, but still that was a half position. I still have two positions against me all the way, like basically 30 ticks, 40 ticks, even 40 ticks plus from my first entry. So another thing that's frustrating. So first of all, I should have, if I had been filled here, it did touch it. But if I had been filled, I would have been out of this position with a break even on the first, 10 ticks on the second. The second frustrating thing was that I had drawn that measured move here, and I had my order just above here at 40. I had it here at 44, and really the measure move, the way I drew it, maybe I didn't draw it exactly the same way, but basically I put my order here, and that it touches it, doesn't fill it. That if it had filled me, I would have taken another 10 ticks. I would have reduced my cost basis again, but again, didn't get filled. Then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna exit here because it's the EMA. It's gonna bounce. It's obviously an uptrend now. Let's get out here, and I'm getting nervous. I'm getting really frustrated and nervous, and I'm just hoping and praying it's gonna come back down, and instead of getting out of my position here, because to me this is a buy signal, so if I'm not gonna buy, at least I want to get out of my shorts. I don't do it, and it comes back up, and I had another limit like here, and it comes a tick from it, doesn't do it, and then I'm like, okay, it's getting late. Well, not too late, but yeah, still, like noon on a Friday, I know it's gonna slow down, so I'm like, okay, I need to start getting out of this position. So I got rid of a little bit here, and basically then I hung out the whole day until here actually I got a fill again, so I took a little winner here. That also was frustrating, because I got in 43, and it went to 33, and again touched it, didn't fill me. Thank God I exited here. I still had a little profit, 5 ticks. And then I finally got rid of my whole position here towards the end of the day. I was just tired of it. I wasn't gonna wait. I would have stayed in that position if it wasn't Friday, but who knows, like I didn't want to like have a position like over the weekend and then basically like be down 100 or plus pips because of some gap. So I just decided to get rid of the whole position. So I lost money today, but it's my first loss in 14 days. So it's okay. I mean, I'm not feeling too bad about it. I'm not gonna change anything I do so far. I've been concerned because I don't use stops. So if I use stops, I don't know if I would have really lost less money. The only difference, if I had exited my position, I would have been able to objectively start trading to the long side. And since I was trying to save my position to the downside, I was like just getting frustrated. In the meantime, I was missing out on a lot of longs. I missed out on this long, I missed out on this long, and that's about it. But still, I would have been able to trade to the long side if I was flat here. But anyways, that was it for Friday. I'm not going to increase my. I was trading 18,000 actually. I'm increasing by 2,000 for now every winning day. So today I'm not going to increase. So Monday I'll be back at it, trading $18,000 position, and yeah, hopefully that was just a hiccup on the on the way to many more winning days. But yeah, I'm still pretty confident about what I do. Today was a mix of misreading this bounce and bad luck, and again, they're part of the game, so I can't act like that doesn't happen. But still, overall, still positive. We'll be back at it on Monday and go from there.